Hi, welcome back to my channel. Christmas is over. Yay? I don't know, maybe. It's coming again though. You know, it's on its way. One finishes and the other's right behind it. So now that it's over, the real work begins. We got some new cookware for Christmas and I need to clean out my cupboards. And after I looked in them this morning, I thought, yeah, it's been a while. So they're in desperate need. So need to clean those out, get those organized, put the new ones in, see what I'm keeping, see what I'm deleting, move things around. So I'm going to work on those lower cabinets, and then in another video I'm going to tackle the drawers. So the two-part series, so keep watching.
Okay, so this is the first of a few cupboards that I need to do, and you can see they're kind of organized, but the cabinets themselves really need some cleaning because we have a wood cook stove. The bottoms of the pots and pans do get black over time, and even though we wash them, that black sometimes can stay on there and just cause black marks on the cabinets, especially the cast iron, because we do use cast iron quite a bit.
Bedding under my skin, where will it end if I let it begin? So bittersweet, you know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute. Hey, it's alright now, listen to such a beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round.
See, I told you, they get pretty black. A new roaster. I cannot wait to use this roaster.
And you gotta tell me what's on your mind. Wait a while, you gotta take a deep breath. I can make you smile when I let you into my bed and under my skin. But where will it end if I let it begin? It's trick or treat, you know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute. It's alright now, listen.
Ah, look how nice that looks. I love clean cabinets.
It's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go.
This is my not so clean right now. This is my before picture. Look how black that is. That's all from the black from the cook stove. So the bottoms of these pans just, over time, they just, you know, you're sliding them in there and it's just getting that black on there. You just can't avoid it.
It's alright now, listen, it's such a beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if
I know I've mentioned it before. I probably sound like a broken record by now, but the cleaner that I'm using is the apple cider from Grove Collaborative. I love this scent. It just smells so amazing to me, and I love Grove products. As always, my link to Grove will be below in my description box.
What if I open my soul? Here I stand by myself on my own. What if I lose all control and take a step out into the unknown? Oh, oh, oh. What do I know? What's going on now? Is this another breakdown? You and me
More new cookware for Christmas. I love it. These are similar to Le Creuset. They're a heavy cast with an enamel finish to them. I can't wait to cook with them. I know we're gonna love them.
What do I know? I need to open my eyes and get a touch of that reality. Don't want another surprise. I'd rather want you to just let me be. Oh, oh, oh. What do I know? What's going on now? Is this another breakdown? You and me, should I let go? I do really want to know what's going on now. Is this another breakdown? You and me, should I say so? We're just
Look at this mess. This is crazy. I can't believe this all fit in this cabinet. Not all of it's going back. Some of it's going to find a new home.
Come on, get a grip now of all the ways we parted. You showed in your own way we would stand and we would fall united. Come on, get a grip now. Just finish what you started. Don't like the feeling that I've been fooled, deceived, and so misguided. Oh, oh, oh. What do I know?
I know right now you're thinking, boy, she has a lot of dishes. Yes, I do. Some of these are seasonal, some of these are everyday dishes, but we use them. We use everything we have. Well, for the most part anyway.
Breakdown, you and me, should I say so? We're just putting on a show. What's going on now? Is this another breakdown? You and me, should I let go? I do really want to know what's going on now. Is this another breakdown? You and me, should I say so? We're just putting on a show. Oh, oh, oh.
As you can see, this is where I keep all of my, well, not all of, but my overflow of Mrs. Meyer's soaps, mostly. Soaps and room fresheners. I also have some room spray from Sweetgrass Farms. I love that company. I've gotten a few things from them, and they're environmentally friendly as well. Here's another one. This is Holiday Greenery. I love this. This one that I had before is Spiced Pumpkin. So I just change all of these things out with the seasons. I change my soaps out depending on the season, and I don't know. I like doing that. Watermelon lemonade. Must have been a gift at one time. A candle, who knows how long that's been in there. Okay. These are my little cast iron pots. I love these things. I use them when I make chili. They're great. This is something that's been in here a while. It's pretty dusty, so I think I'm going to wash this. Goes with my set of dishes. The Johnson Brothers. Isn't that pretty? I love their dishes. Those were given to me by my mom, who had gotten them from my aunt. They were a wedding gift to her over 50 years ago. So that was a nice gift. This is wine from my sister. It's 1998. She was stationed in Germany for a few years and brought that back for us. We haven't opened it. Okay, so before I put things back, I have a set of dishes up here. Look, you can see. Yeah, they're a little dusty, so I'm going to wash those real quick.
Till my lungs give out your beautiful.
I have some little cast iron pumpkins. I have the big dish like this, a bigger casserole dish. These are sweet too. I have a fetish for these little things, I think. I love small single serve containers. Something unique that you can serve in. I love those.
Come back again, come back again. Draw your arrow back. I just want you to fly me into the sky. I'll fall but never crack. Are you dreaming of love soon? Or are you still in your shadow? I know I didn't see the good between us, but tell you what, I've opened up my eyes and seen the truth, so you can blame it on my youth. Courage, no one seems to care that I lost it. You're the only one that's gonna tell me to go back again, give it one more chance. Blame it, one day I will see what.
As you can see, more little dishes. I love these things. They are so cute. You can do so many cool things with them. I make little tiny single serve apple crisps in them, or apple pies, or little cakes. I mean, I could go on and on. I mean, there's just so many little things you can do with them. Cute little desserts. They're great. And they look so adorable. I'm so in love with these little things. I love this stuff.
Or are you still in your shadow? I know I didn't see the good between us. Yeah, I tell you what, I've opened up my eyes and seen. I've opened up my eyes and seen the truth. What have I to lose? I tell you what, I've opened up my eyes and seen Why don't you blame it on my youth?
So there you have it. We're all done. The bottom cabinets. Well, I still have one more to do, but I don't know if you can tell or not, but the lighting is a little bit darker. It's because it's been a few hours. I had a house full of company come and, well, I had to kind of stop filming and visit with them because they were grandchildren. And so some of this stuff didn't get done. I will do another video. We're gonna do the drawers. They need some cleaning and, you know, rearranging. And I'll get that other cabinet at the same time I do those. But I hope you enjoyed today. I hope you cleaned right along with me. Or maybe I inspired you or motivated you to get into those cupboards and get some cleaning done and some rearranging. It actually feels good to like purge some stuff. I had a cabinet, you know, covered my island full of all kinds of things that when my company came, I just handed everything out to them and they loved getting it and I loved getting rid of it. So it's a great way to feel good about yourself. So it's stuff that, you know, there's so much stuff that we gather that, you know, maybe we only use it at holiday time, and I have cabinets that are separated, you know, that are kind of things for that reason. But then there are things that I've had and I think, why do I still have this? Or why did I even get it? Because I never use it. So, you know, those are just kind of things that you want to go through from time to time because this is precious real estate. You know, our cabinets, I mean, you need that space. So don't fill it up with things you're not using. Don't fill it up with things that you don't really like. Fill it up with things that mean something to you, things that you use every day, things that make you happy. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. I do all things home here, and I do videos every Tuesday and Friday morning, except this week. It's been a busy, crazy Christmas week. So next week I'll be back on schedule. And until next time,